Hi, I'm Channing.
And I'm Shelley.
I'm gardening.
And I'm designing.
And together,
we're harvesting heritage.
We've put together a number of questions to just give a little bit of our history and so that you have a backstory when we're going into different projects, why we feel like what we're doing is making us thrive together.
I know your passion for gardening didn't come from me. So where did it come from?
I would go back home to Montana and North Dakota every summer, and my grandmas did have gardens. And my grandma in North Dakota, I remember my grandma would go to the garden to do her daily harvesting. And that was just so special for me. And then my grandma in Montana, she was living on the farm at that time, and she also had a garden. Though I don't remember her having me do much in that garden. She taught me a lot more about cooking.
Oh, okay.
But I do remember a couple of times going out with, actually, there's a really great story of we were trying to convince Mom that I was hardworking on the farm. And so Grandma put me out onto her garden bed.
The rototiller?
With the rototiller.
Oh. I still have that photograph of you.
Oh, maybe if you can find it, let's put it in.
Okay.
We'll put it in for them.
Okay.
But I'm standing with the rototiller, pretending. Put in rows to get the potatoes planted, and there was absolutely no planting that went on. That rototiller never ever turned on.
Oh,
I was
funny.
As soon as picture was taken, I was back playing with the little the feral kittens, the barn cats. So, but yeah, that's where my garden love came from for sure. Actually, I grew up that you didn't like to cook and I never saw you gardening. We have gardens, we weren't there long enough. So what's changed?
I have time. During construction, I was at location and traveled a lot. Never had time. And food was not my thing. Still isn't really my thing. But when Papa got sick, I wanted to take care of him better. I wanted organic foods. I wanted to make sure of what he was eating. And I just really, and he's so easy. He loves anything I cook. It could be, one thing he doesn't like, tuna casserole.
I know, and it's Sean's favorite, which is so funny.
Yeah. And he praises me, everything I cook, he's just like, this is the best ever. Well, when you have that, you feel free to experiment and try to cook. So yeah, I have really gotten into cooking.
Bread more recently.
I have been, the rustic breads are fun. I know how to make a poulish, and I'm going to be trying baguettes.
Yeah, I think it's been fun because that's one area where you're calling me and asking, what is this thing on my plant? What's eating my plant? Or, you did.
Why is my plant dying?
Yeah, and you did, we did the pressure canner for the first time, and you did canned potatoes, and I think you've really loved those. And we're doing it on camera anyway to one another on FaceTime, so why not record it?